What if I told you there's a completely free, no-code platform that lets you generate stunning anime-style images just by typing simple lists and rules? Mealing tours preferred, he wait. Podolds winden tor beyond. Today we're diving deep into Perchance AI. Perchance, found at Perchance.org, is first and foremost a platform for creating and sharing random text generators, not a dedicated AI image model like Midjourney or DALL-E. To get anime images, people on Perchance have created generators that import image URLs from sites like Danboru or use pre-made asset packs, then randomize which image shows based on text prompts you design. The site itself provides powerful text manipulation tools. You can change capitalization with .title case, make words plural automatically, or use shortcuts like she for random pronouns and 1520 for random numbers. So how do you actually make anime art? The positive side is completely free, no account required, works offline if you download the HTML file, and you can tweak every probability. You can also import other people's generators using import generator name to reuse their image databases. The negative side, Perchance does not generate new images from scratch, it only randomizes existing ones. You cannot create novel poses or styles that aren't already in the image list. Also, the interface is text-heavy and confusing for beginners. You have to learn its bracket syntax. See you later, guys.